In the previous lesson, we explored why randomness appears in economic and financial data. We saw that real-world data always contains variation. Even when relationships exist, outcomes still fluctuate. And because of this randomness, analyzing data requires systematic tools. There are several fields that helps us study data. Three of the most important ones are statistics, econometrics, and machine learning. So, in this lesson, we will explore how these fields differ and where econometrics fits among them. Let's imagine we collect a dataset of daily stock returns. This dataset contains information about how the market behaves over time. Analysts often study this kind of data to understand financial markets, but different analysts may approach this same dataset in different ways. Suppose there are three analysts trying to study the same financial dataset. Each of them may ask a different question. One analyst may want to understand the structure of the data. Another may want to study economic relationships, and the third may want to predict future outcomes. These different goals lead to different analytical approaches. This is where three important fields appear: statistics, econometrics, and machine learning. All three work with data, but they focus on different types of questions. So, understanding these differences helps clarify the role of econometrics. Statistics focuses on describing and summarizing data. For example, we might ask, what is the average return of a stock? How volatile is the market? What does the distribution of returns look like? So, statistics helps us understand the structure and variability of the data. Econometrics takes the analysis a step further. Instead of only describing data, econometrics studies relationships between economic variables. For example, we might ask, do interest rate changes affect stock returns? Does inflation influence bond yields? So, econometrics combines economic theory with statistical tools to analyze these relationships. Machine learning approaches the problem from a different perspective. Instead of focusing on interpretation, machine learning focuses on prediction. For example, a trading algorithm might analyze many indicators and try to predict tomorrow's stock return. So, prediction accuracy becomes the primary goal here. So, we may have the same dataset, but each field approaches it differently. Statistics describes patterns in the data. Econometrics studies relationships between variables, and machine learning focuses on predicting outcomes. Econometrics occupies a special position. It combines economic theory with data analysis. So instead of focusing only on description or prediction, econometrics tries to understand how economic variables interact. This makes it a central tool for studying financial and economic systems. For example, an econometric model may analyze how interest rates influence stock market returns. So, by studying this relationship, economists and analysts can better understand how financial markets behave. The key takeaway from this lesson is very simple. Statistics describes data. Econometrics studies relationship between economic variables, and machine learning focuses on prediction. Together, these fields provide powerful tools for analyzing data. Now we have seen how different fields approach data analysis. But before we start building econometric models, we need to understand the type of financial variables that analysts commonly study. So in the next lesson, we will take a quick preview of three important concepts in finance: returns, volatility, and risk factors. These ideas will appear repeatedly throughout financial econometrics. So, thank you for watching, And as always, happy learning.